Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an annual report for your LLC in Wyoming. First, understand that this is a crucial step to keep your business compliant with state regulations. Failing to file can lead to serious consequences, including administrative dissolution. We'll walk through the process, ensuring you have all the necessary details to complete your filing accurately and on time. Let's get started. To prepare for filing, gather your LLC's Wyoming Secretary of State ID number. This unique identifier is essential for accessing your business's profile. Be aware of the filing fee, which is $60 or 0.0002% of your assets located in Wyoming, whichever amount is greater. Mark your calendar. The report is due by the first day of your LLC's anniversary month each year. The easiest way to file is online through the Wyoming Secretary of State's website. Navigate to the Business Services section and find the Annual Report Filing portal. You'll need to locate your business using its name or the Secretary of State ID number. Carefully review and update your registered agent information and principal office address to ensure all details are current and accurate before submission. Failing to file your annual report on time can lead to significant issues, including the administrative dissolution of your LLC by the state. Reinstating a dissolved LLC is a more complex and costly process, often involving additional fees and paperwork. So, it's always best to stay on top of your filing deadlines. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.